Alright, what's up everyone? I haven't done a video or anything in a long time, but I do have this Pokemon Champions Path. I can't remember the last time I've gotten Pokemon cards, but I saw there's a huge want or need of this Charizard in this pack, so I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this and see if it's here. So we're gonna, I don't know how I'm gonna unbox this, but I guess I'll just make a little incision on the side. I would play music to kind of get rid of the awkward silence, but YouTube and every platform basically has a huge copyright issue, so we'll just do it this way. So here's the box. Champions Path Elite Trainer. Not really gonna do a big unboxing because I'm sure you guys have already seen all the videos on YouTube. I mean, manual. I don't know what this is for. I don't really play Pokemon. Actually, I don't even play Pokemon anymore. But I am down for collectibles. So here it is. Opening it up. Try not to scratch any of those just for the collecting purposes. I'm gonna go ahead and take this out. I don't know what this is. Oh, these are the protectors. Cool. I was wondering where those were. Alright, so we have these with that, with this. Here's the Charizard V. It's on the package. So go ahead and put this here. I'll move this. I don't know what these are. Energies, bunch of stuff. But these are the packs right here. And I'm guessing you open you open a pack and then you count like 3 of them or something, but this is like childhood memories. I don't know what that is. But yeah, so here goes the first pack. I should probably cut these. I don't know what the best way. Oh wait, here we go. Just fuck that up. Oh no. I'm being like probably way too careful with this. My luck is that I'm just gonna fucking open this and then it's just gonna like fucking blow up it. There we go. My hands are like kind of sweating already. Alright, so it's the first pack. Here's the code. I won't show any of the codes just so I don't know how that works, but 1, 2, I think that's how, 4 maybe? I don't know. Anyways, here's the first one. Hope that's in camera. Hop. Hatrum. So Sonia. Can't even fucking read right. Trubbish. Hatana. I don't even know any of these Pokemon. These are all new. Wait, why are these? These look like the original 90s Kaboo. That's kind of like a holographic, pretty cool. I don't know if you can see that, but here's a holo, and then Obstagoon. So I'll just put those aside. Anything holographic, I'll put to the side. So that's the first pack. We'll go to the second. I think I got the hang of this. So I think it's 4 cards. You count 4 cards out and then put them in the back. This one out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Energy, Suspicious Food Tin, Hyper Potion, Malamar, Zigzagoon, Weedle, Pure Lion, Pokeball, NK, a green Hollow Energy. I don't know if that's supposed to be hollow, but Altaria is a hollow in here. So I'll put these aside. Did I say 4? 4 cards. So we're on the 3rd pack. I feel like I'm just gonna fucking bend one of these cards. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4. Energy. Liepard. Yeah, I hope I'm not covering any of this so you guys can see it. Team Yell Grunt. Full Heal. Scraggy. Pure Loyan. Machop. Oh, fuck. Nickit. Hollow Kakuna. And Eldergloss V. So I'll put both of these. So I guess I did go with like the original look. I'm used to like the 90s because that's when I collected Pokemon. I have a 1st edition Charizard, which was actually one of my very first pack was a 1st edition Charizard, and I've kept it mint ever since. I was so proud of it. I think that's a better way to open it. Alright, the code. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we got a Fire Energy. We got a Victini, Arbok, Rotom Bike, Carvana. Carvana, really? Swablu, Vulpix, Trubbish, Roly-Coly, Hollow Rotophone, and a Zygarde. I don't know any of these new Pokemon. Like I said, I haven't played Pokemon since the 90s, but I figured I'd give a shot to see if I could get one of these shiny black Charizards, or even the Rainbow. Those are the only 2 Pokemon that I really think of. Any of these cards, if you want to buy any of them, I mean, I'm going to put all of them up for sale. I have no intent of keeping any of the ones I'm putting aside, so feel free to reach out and let me know what you need. I got you. 1, 2, 3, 4. Purple, I think that's kinetic. Purple energy. Turf Field Stadium, Bead, Kaboo, Swablu, Kakuna, Pokeball, Machop, Hatena. Oh, I see another shiny shit. This one's Sonia. It's a hollow, and an Alcremie V. I don't know what these are, but they're cool. So we got 2 V's so far. No V Max. I don't know what the... I think there's V's and V Max. I don't know. Let me know in the comments. I keep repeating myself. I don't know anything about the new age Pokemon. But yeah, what's the difference between V's and V Max, or are there any others? So energy, or not energy, but the code 1, 2, 3, 4. What? I don't know what this is. White energy. Great Ball. Pokemon Center Lady. Team Yell Grunt. Leon. Scraggy, and I'm probably saying some of these names wrong. Roly Coly. Nickit. Ekans. A hollow Beedrill. And a hollow Hatterene. So we got 4 more packs. So, code. So we got energy, hyper potion, Hatrum, Rodon phone, Roly Coly, Carvana, Potion, Rockruff, Weedle, got a hollow Hatterene, and a Centiskorch. I don't know what that is. Alright. We got 3 more packs. Code 1, 2, 3, 4. Got a dark energy, I'm guessing, a hyper potion, a Rodon phone, an Absol, potion, Pokeball, Carvanha, Ekans, Weedle, a hollow Kakuna, and a Marnie hollow. Alright, we got 2 more packs. 2 more packs. Wait, is there a lip on here I can open? There is. And it fucked up, of course. So this is the second one. So it's a code 1, 2, 3, 4. Flip it over. Got an energy, Rodon phone, a Liperd, Sharpedo, Kakuna, Carvana, Potion, Vulpix, Machop, Hollow Full Heal, and a Lycanroc Hollow. Alright, final pack. This is it. Let me know in the comments below if this is going to be the pack or if you don't think it is. And I just completely flopped. Oh, that was a harder one to open. This one's definitely going to be it. They say if the pack is hard to open, then it does have the Charizard in it. And look, Machop is already in the front. This is definitely it. Yep, felt it. This one's it. I'm not even kidding. 1, 2, 3, 4. Plus the cards are a lot better quality. And look, see how the center is blue on this one? That's how you know. That's how you know. Alright, so we got an energy. We got a Kaboo. We have a suspicious food tin. We have a Victini. A Machop. There's the front man. We have a Nickit. We have a Trubbish. We have a Hatana. We have a Rock Ruff. We have a Hollow Hatana. Oh, and we have a Dreadnought. So we did not get the Charizard in this one. But I do have 2 other boxes. Debating on if I should open those or not. Or just sell them. So feel free to subscribe to the channel. I'll be doing some more of these little random unboxings. Any of the cards on here, if you are interested in them, I will be selling them. So just shoot me a message or let me know in the comments below if you need any of them. Yeah, thank you for checking out my video, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.